What does it take to develop a powerful cream that actually works on wrinkles? Our dedicated scientists study the unique characteristics of wrinkles so they can best understand how to improve their appearance. After testing 20 years of retinol technology in our innovation lab, the perfect blend of ingredients is here. Our unique formula combines retinol with hyaluronic acid and glucose complex in a rich, moisturizing cream that's gentle enough for daily use. Retinol works in harmony with the skin's natural process of producing new skin cells that occurs less frequently as we age. Hyaluronic acid adds plumping hydration to replenish parched, dull skin. And glucose complex accelerates skin surface activity to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With these three powerful ingredients, our formula is clinically proven to show results in as little as 1 week for visibly younger looking skin.